Welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to clean a dirty EGR valve using WD-40. Symptoms of the EGR valve does vary, but the most common symptoms are engine has rough idling, the vehicle has performance issues, you will have increased fuel consumption, and your car will frequently stall when idling. Tools used for this job is a flathead screwdriver, a toothbrush, a brush wire. First step to do is place the EGR valve in the pot and spray WD-40 all around it. This will loosen up the dirt and it will make your job much more easier. After spraying the area with WD-40, wait for a couple minutes for the dirt to absorb the WD-40. As you can see, the WD-40 is doing its job, and you would also clean your EGR much more easily. If you have any areas which the wire brush or the toothbrush cannot do, use a flathead screwdriver to scoop off any excess dirt or areas which are clogged up. I would suggest you to use the toothbrush to areas where there are less dirt, and I wouldn't worry too much of the exterior, as it will be located either under the engine cover or areas which cannot be seen. I will also advise you to wear protective gears and gloves. When cleaning with the toothbrush, I will suggest you to use the toothbrush in clockwise direction, as it will pick up dirt much more. Don't be afraid to use the WD-40, as it will help you with the cleaning process much more easily. Now get a soft towel or a cloth and spray it with WD-40 for cleaning the EGR. Now the EGR has been cleaned, I would suggest you putting a screwdriver and press onto it for the valve to open, and then clean it with a toothbrush. This will enable the valve to fully close and do its job properly. Once again, get a cloth or a towel and wipe the EGR. If you like my video, please be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.